just insane. Just insane. Look at that view. Now how am I going to get down? Hey, thank you so much for choosing to watch this video of 10 minutes of mapping out your road towards financial freedom. And what better way to talk about financial freedom than to come out here to a place where you're just truly and lividly free. Look at that view. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? And so I've created several videos completely free because I want to map out and try to help you guys to pay off your debts, start planning out your financial future, and start saving for retirement. So over the next couple of videos, give me some comments, give me some feedback, what you like, what you didn't like, and go out to dollarauto.com and check out for more tips and strategies to help you get out of debt. Let's go ahead and get started.